Good morning, Pioneers! It's finally Unity Fair!
Yo, I'm so excited. Tell me more.
This event is hosted annually by Pure Mediation. We have a lot to cover, so let's get into it.
Okay, so first, this year's theme is Garnet
Versus Gray. So the Garnet team is all the homerooms on the first floor, and the Gray team is all the homerooms on the second floor.
Now let's talk about the schedule. There are 4 block periods today. Block 1 is from 8:50 to 9:30. Block 2 is 9:35 to 10:15. Block 3 is 10:20 to 11. And Block 4 is 11:05 to 11:45. Pick your activity ahead of time, check out the Unity Fair page on Schoology for everything you need, and plan with your friends so you know where you're going.
Okay, but real quick, when's lunch?
That is such a great question. This year, there are grade level lunches. Juniors eat 11:45 to 12:15. Sophomores eat 12:10 to 12:45. Freshmen eat 12:40 to 1:15. You can eat in the cafeteria or out by the track. And during periods 5 and 6, you have to stay in large spaces like the atrium, the library, or the auditorium.
But make sure you pick up your trash. Speaking of food, are there any bake sales today?
Yes, make sure to head to the gym lobby where Stoga Students in Finance, Black Student Union, Esports Club, Daisy Club, and Robotics Club are all running bake sales. And make sure you also stop by the courtyard for the Kona Ice Truck. Just make sure to keep in mind that bake sales end when lunches start, so get there early. Also, no food is allowed in the carpeted areas of the atrium, and please throw out your trash when you're done.
All right, let's get into the activities because there's seriously so much to do. In the gym, you've got badminton and pickleball. There's also academic trivia, logic puzzles, Mario Kart, putterball and chipping challenge, plus a speed puzzling competition in the library.
And that's not even all of it. The small gym has pickleball, and the large gym has a basketball open play.
And if you're in the atrium, make sure you check out the Unity Rainbow. Write what unites the school on a cloud or raindrop and add it to the display.
Outside on the turf field by the lower lot, there are yard games, cornhole, hacky sack, can jam, spike ball, 4-way volleyball, giant games, plus painting.
Just remember, choose an activity for the block and stick with it. Check Schoology for the full Unity Fair plan ahead of time.
Blocks 1 and 2 have soccer and flag football out there, and blocks 3 and 4 switch to kickball and ultimate frisbee.
Wait, I heard something about a rally at the end of the day. What's that about?
The Unity Rally is our grand finale. At the end of the day, you'll be dismissed by grade to the large gym, and the whole school will come together to watch teachers and students compete for the 2026 championship. This year's events are a mattress race, a speed dress-up relay, a hula hoop pass down, and floor hockey. At the end, the winning team gets announced. Garnet or Gray, who's it gonna be?
Quick note on the rally, leave your backpack in your 7th period class. If you don't have 7th period, leave your bag outside the gym on your way in.
Do we have to check in with our teachers at all today?
Only twice, homeroom and 7th period if you have one. That's it. Those are your only 2 required check-ins for the whole day.
And one last thing, as part of Unity Fair, we're making bookmarks and cards for the Caring for Friends organization.
That is everything you need to know about Unity Fair 2026.
Make sure to rep your color, get out there, and have the best day. Let's go, Pioneers!